So we're coming at you live from Make UofT 2020, and we're going to be demoing our project called FireFly. Now what it is, it's an autonomous drone that goes into buildings on fire and locates humans that are entrapped based on facial recognition. So basically, Aman here has our remote web console pulled up, and you can see that he's waving to the camera here. So we'll see that we have a live stream as well as takeoff, land, take photo, and an autopilot mode feature. Now what the autopilot is going to do is going to autonomously fly the drone so that it flies towards the most light intense area of the room. Now once it finds the most light intense area, it'll start flying into it because presumably it's going to assume that there's a fire. And once it gets a facial lock on a human, it'll start following the human around, allowing us to take pictures and such. So Aman is going to press the takeoff button here, and the drone's going to take off. Now we're going to calibrate it so that it finds the most light intense areas of the room. So if you press autopilot there, Aman, it's going to start calibrating itself. So once that calibration is done, we'll be able to see that it flies towards the most light intense area of the room. So it should be close to done. So yeah, now it looks like it's starting to fly towards this area of the room because we have a light right here. So now it's gonna get a facial lock onto my face. I'm gonna hand this to Aman, and he's gonna be able to track that this drone is following my face. So let's get this to lock here, and it's gonna start flying towards me, and it should start turning as I turn with it. There we go. So yeah, you can see that the drone is turning with my face, and so it needs to maintain that lock at all times. Okay, so now
it probably saw me.
Yeah, it probably saw you. So I'm gonna get it to turn with me here. Yes. And as you can see, that console is completely unmanned right now, and the drone is gonna follow me. Okay, so now I'm gonna start moving back. The drone is going to recognize that my face is here, and it's going to keep coming towards me.
Did I land it?
Yeah. Do you want to go and show them the box around my face?
Yep. Hi, Tony. Wave us. Alright, I'm going to land it now.